So guys, do my voice is clear? Let me check. Let me check my voice. I hope it's fine now. Okay, let's open the lead code. I think it's everything is funny running fine. Okay guys, we'll start this problem. Just a minute, and then we'll start this problem. Okay, let's go now. So today, okay, we have got an easy question. trionic array. Okay, let's do it fast, then we will move to our trees problems. So here is the question. We are given an integer array nums of length n, okay, and an array is trionic if there exist indices 0 less than p less than q less than k, means p and q should be within this range such that nums 0 to p is strictly increasing and nums p to q is strictly decreasing, and then again nums q to n minus 1 is strictly increasing. We have to return true if nums is trionic, otherwise return false. Okay, so here the first example or the first test case is given. The test case nums 1 1 3 5 1 3 5 4 2 6. Okay, given we have to find indices p and q. We have to find two indexes and ensure that 0 to p is strictly increasing, p to q is strictly decreasing, and q to n minus 1 is strictly increasing, and none of this should be overlapping, right? Okay, so we got 1, we got 3, 1, we got 5. It's strictly increasing. 1 3 5. Then we have got 4 2 strictly decreasing, and again 6 strictly increasing. I think we can populate a like prefix sum, and we can maintain two variables. Okay, let's do it. So first will be 1, then it will be 4, then 4, then 5 9. How we will maintain it? Like it's not going to give us any right solution here. So this prefix sum idea is flopped. Can we just move and check? Okay. Intuition. What should be the intuition? The prefix some idea is flopped here because it will not yield us any result. What to do then? Pick 2 and 4. Okay. One case is like clear. If we got a size less than or equals to 3, that will yield us false. So let's first get the size of this array. Size is equal to dot size. If size is less than equals to 3, oh, I think I'm doing it in wrong way. It's not like that. Oh, nice. SG bro. Hello. What's up? How you doing? So I'm figuring out this one, that trionic array first. I'm not getting this intuition how to just do it. Like the graph will first, it will be like increasing and then increasing, then decreasing, then again increasing. Okay, so first the graph will be increasing, then it will be decreasing, then again increasing. Like we have to figure out 3 segments. Okay. Oh, that's sad, dude. I don't know about this. Like, do they Discord server, bro? Actually, and after that stream, I was not well. Like, 2 to 3 days, 2 days, including yesterday, I was not well, so I didn't do anything. Yeah, now I will think about the Discord server. Yeah, I have told that I will be making a Discord server, but you know, after that contest on Saturday, Sunday, actually it was like hell. I didn't do anything, and in Monday, from the college, after coming from the college, like I slept and woke up next morning. Like I had a terrible headache, so I didn't do anything. Will think, bro. I think it will take this whole week for that Discord server because I have my gate exam also. Like it is on 8th. So this week is hectic, quite hectic. Okay, back to the question. Yeah, it's easy, but I'm not getting this idea. Like there is no way to pick P and Q. Yep, college problems. Got it. You got it, dude. This question looks it's tagged easy, but I'm not getting that intuition. Like, how can I figure it out? Wait, if I'm going one by one, like one is less than three. Yes. One is less than three. Yes. Sorry, three is less than five. Yes. Two five is less than four. No. So it means my P is figured out now. P is greater than four. So it's Q now. Then five is greater than four. Yes. Four is greater than two. Yes. Two is greater than six. No. But two is smaller than streak. Okay, streak. You're talking about the streak. Yeah, despite of the exams, took me like 1 minute 46 seconds. That's crazy. That's insane. I'm developing that problem solving approach. So it will take time. Yeah, I know, but let's give it. You just solved in like 1.5 minutes. That sounds crazy. Absolutely crazy. And now see, um, I'm stuck it. I'm stuck in this question around 15 minutes from the last 15 minutes. So if this is the case, like this was the increasing, this was the decreasing, then what, like PQ, then increasing part, that's also sorted. That algorithmic thinking, that thinking, I'm not getting this. Hmm, can I take some hint? Should I take? Okay, let's not. Sometimes easy questions, they make you think dumb. How to do it, bro? How to do it? Okay, good luck. C sharp, nice. So I know two language like CPP and Python, and I love solving DSA in C++, and for those that machine learning and data science stuff, I do it in Python. Obviously Python, but for DSA I prefer CPP. I don't know why, but I am doing it anyways. Okay, this solution, why? Let me just take a hint. Use brute force. Yeah. So in the first term, I should figure out like which part do I get. Okay, so the brute force will be like figuring out the P and Q indices. Okay, then let me just first take that. Right, like do one is less than 3, yes, and do 3 is greater than 1, yes. Then we move forward. Do 5 is greater than 3, yes. Do 4, no. So I think we found is equal to like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got that P index equals to 2. Now do 2 is less than, yes. Q is equal to 4. Now it moves forward. Like do Q is less than 6. I got in 0 MS 100%. That's nice. I think I have figured out. Code it. In index equals to 0. Print I equals to 1. I less than size I plus. If nums idx. Now first we are like, let me just comment out. Okay, finding increasing portion index greater than index 1. Chat. What I'm doing this thing. Idx equals to I. Like first we are figuring out that increasing portion, then it will be the case like if we got any, like so in this question. So first one, 3 is greater than 1, 5 is greater than 3, 4 is greater than 3. So index will be 2. else break, right? Break. If Let me just take variable for tracking the size of the array. What I'm doing, bool p1 equals to false, comma p2 equals to false, 3 equals to false. Okay. Banned from posting. Dude, I don't know this rule. Like, you are banned from posting or what? Because I have not been banned in the last 1 year. Like, not even once. So yeah, when I found this, then I will just update the index equals to I and portion 1 will be true. So I found the portion 1. Then I will try to find out the portion 1 for and I equals to like okay, no problem, bro. I'm working on it. Yep, I'm working on it and I will figure it out. Thanks for your help. Sometimes it's hard to solve even the easiest question. Yeah, it will be idx plus 1, I less than size plus plus. Now if I is right, be less than no, I minus 1, then that index will be I and portion 2 that will be true. And if other thing happens, then I have to break again. I can copy this one. P3 will be true and I can return like P1 and P2. Will it work? So it's working. You can do assessments. Like which type of assessments you are talking about? Okay, let's submit it. Hope um this is the brute force I can think, and Okay, most of the test cases are passed, but some test cases are like this one. Let me analyze. What is it? Okay, just a second, just a second. Okay, let me look into this test case. Bro, which type of assessments you are talking about? Okay, 8, 9, 4, like 8, 9, 4, 6, 1, increasing. So this is, so P1 I got true, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and index equals to 1. Okay, then so this broke, and then I have moved to 2, then did what I check. Okay, num_psi is like less than num_psi minus 1. Yes, I got this. Okay, then this will be P2 will be true, and that index will become 2. Okay, and when I will compare this 6, so it will be false, and then I will go there like strictly, like this portion was strictly increasing, this was decreasing, and then this was increasing. When I think that that last thing, is P3 equals to false, and just break out and make it true. So let's see this modification can do it or not. This case is running. ये तो वही सीन हो गया, like 1 + 1 = 89 कैसे हुआ? Bro, again. Okay, now I got P71. I have missed some edge cases, right? Just comment it so that I in the middle portion, the last take reference from the solutions. Okay. After solving, bro, I will go into the discussion. That reference kind of thing is cool. Okay, but I have made some test cases, and this is the thing which should be I kept in mind always while solving the problem. So yeah, let me just check it. Just 371. Why this fails? Quickly increasing, but the decreasing also. I also want the decreasing part, but that was true. Like, to make it false, I should if ADX equals to n minus 1, then only E3 will be true. Then it will. Then I think it should work. Sorry. It's size minus 1. Let's see. Uh, again stuck on that test case only. Try run it first. Again, let me try run. Like 371. So we will be starting with first part. So I'll be starting with 1. Like if nums I is greater than, so 7 is greater than 3, yes. So p1 equals to true and index will be 1. Then I will be moving to p2 portion 2. So in the portion 2 it will be like 2 nums I is less than nums I minus 1. So yes, so p2 will be true and index will be 2. Okay, that last part is causing every problem in this case. So index will be become size minus 1, so it will assign it true. So let me just add one tag equals to false. Let me see this part. Boom. I think I think I have just complicated it. This was the quite easy part. Let me see. It is asked like did it appear in some companies? No, no data is available here. Okay, let's go into this discussion. Like topic was mid-level array. I think it was like simulation part. Like I have to simulate and get the answer. It can be made in 25 lines, and I took bro, see the spacing and all those. Yeah, but it's quite easy, I think. Let me just check. Leetcode hint progression, use brute force, use your brain, you are on your own now. Guys, be prepared for trionic array up second. Trionic array second will be there. Like that golden terminal icon. Bro, it's like next lead. Like see, NEXT No, 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 not. Let me just check it out. Like in the extension part, better LC. Better LC. See, see, bro, it's this one. Yeah, this one, this better LC. It's like it's quite useful. Got it. Better LC. This is the thing which I'm using right now. Okay. So finally, this is accepted after like after 43 minutes, like 40 minutes, precisely 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I got this easy question. No problem. It's what does it do? Like it tells like where it has like the question you are solving is did it appeared in some of the companies like some of the renowned companies like Google, Microsoft, or any other. Why is this happening? After three wrong submissions, finally it's accepted now. I think I should move to that trees part. I can tell that by myself. Chats are delayed. Yeah, I know. Chats are delayed. Yes. What you can tell by myself, bro? Hmm. Okay, so I should now move to trees part, and for this I will be taking that reference of the TUF heat. Okay, bro. Let me just log in it. Okay. Like, what do you do, bro? SG, what do you do? You are like student or working somewhere? Mix of both. Like, you currently are you in college or like tell me about yourself, bro, in 2 to 3 lines. Today I'm gonna solve this maximum depth. Maximum depth of binary tree. I have solved it once, but I need to like revise or do it again. Get high thing or what? Mhm, 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 mhm. In school and developer and cyber security professional broke and won world records and rankings. Nice. So can you like give me your LinkedIn? Let me just connect you. Let me check my voice. My voice is kind of fine. Let's first let me just try run it. Like make the intuition first because sometimes I have solved this before, but I forgot actually if I forgot the algorithm. So, don't really LinkedIn. I just made the account for no reason. All my crypt is recorded in. Okay, then just give me your ID. Mm, noted it down. After the live, I will go. I will check it out. So yeah, in this question, I have got two approaches. The first is that I find the height of the binary tree segment. Okay, the longest path from root node down to the just a second. So yeah, I can just find the height of the subtree or on visiting every node and taking the maximum of the left subtree or right subtree. Like in 15th, the maximum will be 0, and right subtree the maximum will be 0, and I will be returning it 1 plus maximum of left height of the left subtree or the right subtree. So it will return like 1. So from this I will get 1, and from the right subtree as well it will return that node 7 will return 1 to node 20. Yeah, in 20 I will return like 1 plus maximum of this, so it will return true. And so in this node 9, from left and right it will get 0 and 0, and it will return 1. So the final answer will be 1 plus maximum of 2 comma 1. Yep, I so I think to solve these trees problems we need to have a strong grip in recursion and try running the stuffs, in my opinion, because I have solved some problems and all I felt was recursion and recursion. So I have got the intuition, and let me just code it out. Let me just make a private function. So it will take the root, will be returning Depth root. If not root. By the way, some clothing brands also follow me. Ignore them. That's not an issue, bro. It's root. Then I will return 0. Int left max equals to 0. I can just do it like depth. Problem. I have just ensured that if root becomes null, then it will return 0. Left max is equal to depth root left root right max equals to depth root right. Then I have to return what? 1 plus mum of left max right max. I hope this is fine. Okay, it's running fine. Let me just submit it. Okay, this is done. So it was like it was all about recursion. Yes, and I think this is the optimal approach. Go into the discussion, double it and give it to next day. I once thought I understood recursion until learning trees. Yeah, same bro, same. And this thing, I think every learner feels this. Solve this one using recursion myself. Let's go. Yep. After a solution is accepted, it will be helpful to how to make it run faster. Looking. Okay, this is done. Do I have any similar problems? Balanced tree, minimum depth. Okay, first of all, let me just do this one. So this is done. Check if two trees are identical or not. Check if trees are identical or not. Let's solve this question. Check if two expression trees are equivalent. Check if two strings not coming. Okay, this is this question, right? Okay. Same trees. This is also done previously, but let's revise it. So it is asked is on Apple, Microsoft, Google, LinkedIn. I think it's quite common question. TCS as well. Meta, Uber, Yahoo. Okay. So the question is given the roots of two binary trees, write a function to check if they are same or not. Two binary trees are considered same if they are structurally identical and nodes have same value. Okay. Return check tree and call I will bool check tree node star one group two. So okay, first let me just check it and the tree is given 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and which traversal should I use? Pre-order. In pre-order we always process the nodes, then move to left and then move to LDR like sorry DLR like data left and right. Done. So yeah, I'm in route checking if both of them are like what will be the first case. If both of them are null, then I will return true. Right? So this will be the case if root 1 equal to null ptr and root 2 equals to ptr. I will return what true. Okay. Now I have to move left. If root 1 left exist, 1515. Okay, after this I'll just check that out. So if root 1 and 1 and 2 exist, like root 1 is null pointer and root 2 is null pointer, then it will return else. No, no, else if root 1 value, I think it's value or data value its value its val to val, then also it should return true. Return check tree, and so what will be another case, like base case, like if root1 is null pointer and root2 is null pointer. If this is true, then it will return true, else if root1 value is equal to root2 value, then also it should return true. In all other cases should return false, and here return false. Am I doing it right? No. Okay, it's root2 and it's root2, and what has happened here? It hey, that logic, there is some flaw in this logic. Way I'm stuck here. Let me just think it again. Root one that is equal. I will move to root one's left and root two left. right? If root 1 left exists, two left exist, I will root 1 right exists, or okay, let me just first do it. Root 2 right and root 2 right both exist. Write down 3 1 right comma 2 right, or no. Okay, then what should I return? Photo 6 true. If this is the case, then what it will do, it will check first root, then yeah, root it will check up, then it will return true, then it will move to root 1 left. For some cases it's false, for some cases there is some problem in this logic. Need to just take help. Like, one thing I want to make sure, like, I think I made it more complex. It was quite easy. Why I was checking for the, like, for the true conditions, I would have just accounted for false conditions and rest will be managed. Mhm. Damn. Time complexity is order of n and space complexity is order of h. And here, one thing I want to make sure. Mhm. Equal to null pt and root 2 equals to the ptr. I will return true if root 1 equal ptr or root 2 equals to null ptr, return false, right? If root 1 val is not equals to root 2 val, I have to return false. नहीं तो I need to return factory root 1 left comma root 2 left and 3 1 comma. This was this was quite simple, but uh, I missed the catch. I have to just simply check if root 1 equals to null and root 2 equals to null, then both will be like true. And if any one of them is null, then obviously the tree structure is not similar, so it will return false. Or in the other condition, if root 1 value is not equal to root 2 value, then also it will be false. And this is the thing. Do we have editorial for this? It's locked. Okay, you gave 15, 15, 15, 15. Best position for service center. Oh, bro. Uh, that acceptance rate is 35%, and only 2 people are currently on this problem. And did it appeared somewhere? Citadel and Uber. Okay, let's read this problem. A delivery company wants to build a new service center in a new city. The company knows the position of all customers in the city on a 2D map and wants to build the new service center like in a position such that sum of Euclidean distances to all customers is minimum. Given an array positions where positions I equals to xi yi is the position of ith customer on the map, return minimum sum of distances. Like what do I have to return? Like minimum sum of Euclidean distances to all customers. In other words, you need to choose the position of the service center X, Y such that the following formula is minimized. Positions is 0, comma 1, this, then 1, comma 0, like X is 1, yeah, this is 1, comma 0. Okay, this is the 0.1 and it's 1, comma 2. I hope. This, okay, when you can see this question, yeah, I remember. This question like uh, will be there in my training session, like in the upcoming uh, today's Monday, sorry, Tuesday. And in last training session, I told us that sir will I teach this problem how it is resembling to graph, not graph, trees. I'm never not able to like portray it into graph, attaching to graph trees. Hmm. This is the thing. So I need use class 10. Then it's like we have to find the midpoint. X geometry. I don't remember chapter 7. Bad at math. Anyways, I need to figure it out. Oh, great, great, bro. Working on that problem solving speed. That's why I'm grinding it to like it's to get that problem solving speed to go get those intuitions. I don't know how it is resembling the tree, but let me just check it. Principal array match geometry randomize. So there is no fixed approach. I think we can get it in our own ways. 1 minute. Sorry. Yeah, now I am trying to be consistent and yeah, every day continue to learn new things. That's it. That's why, bro, I'm learning in public, showing my every move. I just think of getting tuitions. Voice is causing problem. And there is a lag of around 6 to 7 seconds. Minimum. This is not getting to. Hey, why my voice is breaking now? POM. I think sometimes it's not easy to solve problems. Not problems like not a particular problem, not able to solve particular that particular problem. It doesn't mean that you're bad at something. Just I think we just have to learn new things. We should be open to learning, right? Okay. Something. This is something new for me. Let me just get this concept. What they are doing it, like or how they are doing the median of like x points and y points. One zero is closed. 0, 1, 2, 1. That's what I need to practice. I think like welcome new things coming in my way and welcoming the learnings. But yeah, like working on it. So it will be one coordinate is one and it is also one comma. Let me just verify back to this. one dimension. However, it has unknown elementary property. The good news is being the sum is a optimized. There is no local minimum other than global, for they will not get into local. There has been a lot of answers in the discussion. I will not read, but rather I will do some post that uses specific method. Moreover, it will comment on the relation and scalability. Int is wrong. I'm not getting it. Like the problem can be rewarded as given points on a trick for each triplet of circle. I need to get some more test cases. I'm not getting this one. I think there was a voice problem, right? I think now it's the voice is clear. I think it was breaking. Is it like uh, taking the median of the x components and median of the y components? If this is so, let me just check it out because vector and tag dot pushback is I dot pushback it1 dot then dot x dot begin dot end. if dot size below 2 equal 0, declare that x coordinate so double x comma yc. I'm not declared, but here I will. Xc is equal to x of dot size size something will be for y coordinate will be yc, it will be y, will be y. Let me just cast it, and I need to calculate distance for auto IT position. Here, okay, the voice. I know. I think there might be issue of the voice, but I'm trying to improve it. To declare the stable PST. Was that formula? Double D equals to x minus plus minus r 2 whole power of one five. Understand. Don't know what's gonna happen. Is oh, no exits. ऊपर एकदम ऊपर आना ये देखो let me see something. Let me just keep it in my do it later session. I will look into it and try to understand the concept behind it, because I think I have not got the concept. I need to just get into the concept of this question first. Okay, so it's 151. I might note. I'll do it later. I should move. So this is the done. This is the for balance binary tree. Given a binary tree, if is height balance, the number from 0 to 5 number. So I need to check if it is height balanced or not. Like the raw approach which comes into mind for every, I need to calculate the height of like left subtree and right subtree, then check if it is balanced down, backtracking, doing this. So we will private function tool check the root node, and we need to make it height, right? Function which calculates height. Int let do this function down. Exhausted. After this question, just I will quit this session. I think I need to have hint. What is wrong? I think there is some mistake. Just check that right. Okay, that